Alright, so I'm going to be coming in and I'm going to be pulling off this heater box here. So for one, let's see if you're doing the heater core. So this, I might do this for future, like a heater core video too. Show you how to get in there to the heater core. But first off, I want to start off, I'm going to be pulling this heater box off here. So, you want to take pictures and everything, of everything. Like the piece to go on here, I got this plated already. So it's just good to know where everything is going to go on here. And then I'm hoping that the rubbers that's in here, I'm hoping I can get this rubber somewhere new. In fact, I write everything down on a piece of paper, guys, as parts needed. So I'm gonna write that down so I remember one day when I'm sitting around after I get done messing around for the day to look up this seal, the blower fan to the heater box here. So let me come in and start taking this loose. I just want to film this hose here, comes off the canister, and it's the black and white hose, and it runs all the way into this box over here. So I want to unhook that hose, get that out the way. I want to separate all of this stuff. I'm going to set that in there for now. Just get everything out the way here. And come in, and this box, it's got a hook on the inside of it. I'm going to take this hose off too. But I'm just trying to get all of this stuff out the way. So then the hose that actually run to this, because I'm going to take this off, it's just a solid black hose. And it comes all the way up. Let's see which one this is. This one comes all the way up, and it goes into the bottom one, the one that goes to here. So that way I can go on and unhook this. Kind of hard to do it left-handedly. But there we go. Alright, so all of this is out the way now. Now let me try to get this box off of here. Alright. Oh, I'm still missing one more bolt. Right on top. And boy, this thing is right in the way. there. Alright, let me see if I can get this to pry loose. Alright. And it looked like this inside box got to come off. I'm going to be removing that because I want to clean all of that out, get all of this clean, make sure it's smelling good. You know, I just want to clean it up really good, repaint the box, and just have everything smelling good. Now, get this out of here too, guys. I mean, because I want to really clean this firewall up and paint this firewall. So I will be pushing this, seeing which way this thing come out. Look like it just pushes in there. See, I never really dealt with the 70 cars too much. But yeah, I want to take all of this stuff out and the loose and everything, guys. Like I told my son, there won't be a part on this car that ain't been touched. And he said, well, you're painting every nut and bolt and every... I said, well, if it ain't touched, if it ain't painted or plated, it will be touched. Yeah. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see in here, but I took the 3 bolts out for the windshield wiper motor here, and 17 millimeter, I mean 17/16, and I just want to get in here. It's got 1 screw on the back of it. I just want to get in here and get the screw off here. Try not to drop it, the screw itself, or the nut. It's not a screw, it's a nut. There it go. Come out. Alright. Alright, so now that that windshield wiper motor is off of here. So I will unhook everything else. Well, we got the wires here. I want to pull the wires out. I probably should have pulled them first. Would have been easier to remove them first, but they will come out of there, guys. So get that off, then the windshield wiper is out of here. Alright, now I got that marked up. Let me get in here and pull this wiring harness off of here. Alright, so it's 1 bolt in here. Let me come in and get this bolt out of here. Like I said, it's just 1 bolt. Get it out of there. Alright guys, so it takes a little tedious work for me to get these cars the way I want to do them, but I just want to scrape all of this, as much of this off, so it'll be less I gotta do with the brake cleaner, especially if it's scraping off of there pretty easy. So all around here, any of this seam sealer that's bad, I'll come off, I'll take all of this off and reseal seamless, guys. What I'm gonna end up doing, guys, is nothing in here. Alright, so that's in there like that, guys, but I don't know, they never had grease in these, so I don't know if I need to, when I put this back together, put grease in there or not, guys. I don't know. What you think, guys? Should I grease her up, or what should I do there, guys? So this way. Alrighty then. Alright, guys, I know you think I know everything. A lot of guys seem to, when they talk to me, like I know all it is about Buick. I don't, guys. I call this guy a lot because he tears things apart all the time, these Buicks. So I probably did this before. He told me how to do this. I don't feel like going back looking at the video, so I'm gonna call Buick Bob and see how he pulled these off. I don't want to tear nothing up. See if he answered the call. If it's not, Mr. Buick Bob.
Yes.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you today?
All right. Well, I'm filming. I say I gotta call Buick Bob and get his voice on the channel.
Oh boy.
Hey, I know you probably told me this last time. I don't feel like going back watching the video right now.
Okay.
How do you get on the 70 Wildcat? How do that engine wiring harness and lights wiring harness come loose from the firewall? I know it's the one bolt, but I know on the inside is two bolts that hold it in place in there, but to get this to separate from the front, I don't want to tear nothing. What I need to do here?
You just take the one bolt in the center out.
And it should pull off?
Pull it up. Pull the plug out.
Okay, it should pull out, huh?
Yep.
Alrighty, I kind of figured that, but I didn't want to get the prying on this thing and mess nothing up here, so.
Yeah, it should pull right out once you get the bolt to.
Okay, alright, otherwise, how you doing?
I'm good.
Alright, you going to that show tomorrow?
No, due to the rain, I don't think I will.
Yeah, the same here. I was going to go out today, out to Beloit, to the show they was having out in Beloit, and stay overnight and then come to the Buick show, but seeing it looked like it was supposed to be raining today, and for sure tomorrow, I said I wasn't going out there either, so.
Yeah. That's too bad.
Yeah.
Looking forward to going.
I've never been to that one. How is that show? It's pretty nice or what?
I've never been there either. It's a regional show, so they have it at a different place every year. So.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's several states are in the regional, so it's going to be in a different state next year. So.
Wow. That's messed up. So it's probably guys that traveled that's there, huh?
Yep. That's what sucks. All this nice weather we've been having, and now it's going to rain tomorrow.
Rain for a Buick show.
Yep.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass. I got enough work to do around here, so.
Yeah, me too.
All right, well, I just wanted to make sure before I got the prying on this thing. It shouldn't be that hard to pull out, though?
No, it should pull right out.
Pull right out. All right.
You shouldn't have to pry on anything.
All right. I appreciate it, Mr. Bob. You.
Have a great night.
All right. You too. All right.
Bye.
Bye. And see, guys, just to make sure I don't mess nothing up, I like to call and just make sure, because this wiring harness, I don't want to be going in trying to repair none of this. So let me come in close and see. All right, so yeah, Mr. Bob pulled a lot of these. He do a lot of these. He's probably did so many of these, but see, that's not just. This one ain't been out in a while. It's coming though. There we go. Man, it looks pretty good in there, guys. It looks good. Wow, looks really good. So I can already know to get the inside, to get this inside plug out, I got to take these bolts out from the inside. So I'll be going inside. I'll probably start that tomorrow. And then I'll label this wiring harness up so I will know what it's off of. One step closer, guys. All right.